Everybody, I got a quick unboxing to do for an item I got from Walmart.com. I'm waiting for the other two items to show up, but we'll unbox this one real quick, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so previous video I did, hey, guess what's in the little packages. It's empty. So one of them came with two seals. These are little horn switches. They light up blue on the inside. I did put the gasket on both of them on the inside already. And there's two more, probably for the outside. These are 5 prongs. Now, I bought these, they were like, I think they were like $3 or $4 a piece. I didn't think, anything of it. Figured, they'll work for what I need. And then I realized when I got them in the mail how small the button is. I'm going to have to put a hole in on my dash for one of these switches, and I realized that when it's on the dash and I'm driving and I need to use the horn that I'm going to be installing separate, I don't want to deal with the clock spring at the moment on my 4Runner, so I'm just going to wire in a separate horn. It's going to be a train horn, and just going to use that, just put it on the dash and push it, when somebody cuts me off or whatever, because my horn isn't working at the moment, because the clock spring controls the horn, the airbag, and the cruise control. So I ordered these, I got them in, I realized how small they are, and the button sticks out, and I ended up buying some off Amazon that were a lot bigger. They're 22 millimeters, so they're going to be about that big around. So they're going to be easier to notice when I push my hand or fingers on the dash trying to find the button. I'm also going to wire the newer one because it has a halo ring. I'll do an unboxing and everything for those when I get them in the mail. I also ordered a fuse, a waterproof fuse relay pigtail. It's going to have like 8 or so inches worth of pigtail on it, and it's got a gasket around it. You put the fuse on it, put the cover over it so it's waterproof. That's going to be for the horn as well. So when I get the bigger button in, we'll do a video on that. I'll show you the comparison, different sizes between these and the bigger ones I picked up. I picked up 2 that were blue. The LED halo ring around the button was blue, and then 2 that were red. I figured it's not going to hurt for, the 60 bucks for 4 of them. It wasn't going to hurt to have extras. But I appreciate you guys' time. I might not be using these. I might keep these as spares to use on something else. They're momentary switches, so basically when you push, you have to hold the button in for it to activate. You let it go and you're done. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.